News from Italy. The flood that hit Lombardy yesterday was truly historic. In 15 hours, 30% of the region received an amount of rainfall equal the amount of rainfall for the entire month of May. This same disturbance subsequently caused severe bad weather conditions. Between Emilia-Romagna, Veneto, and Friuli Venezia Giulia. The Milan basin held awe for 10 hours, but eventually the Seveso River overflowed in the Niguarda area around 5:30 p.m. Incessant rain that began on Tuesday evening has flooded the Lombardy capital and its hinterland and brought traffic to its knees. In addition to traffic, there are also dangers for citizens. Divers rescued a disabled woman who was taken to hospital. The Lambro also flooded in both Milan and Monza, where schools near the waterway were closed on Thursday. The flooding has also led to change in the routes of some tram and bus lines.